So number patterns, consider 2, 4, 6, 8, and so forth, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. So what you can say here, the rule you say starts with 2, and then you add 2 to get 4, and you add 2 to get 6, and so forth. Okay, so seeing that you have 2, 4, 6, 8, and continues. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So the first starts with, so this is the rule, starts with 2, you add 2 to get 4, you add 2 to get 6, you add 2 to get 8. So that means this pattern is progressing by 2, right? So 2 plus 2 will be 4, 4 plus 2 will be 6, 6 plus 2 will be 8. So if you have to write the next 2 terms, it will be 8 plus 2, you'll get 10, and then you have 10 plus 2, you get 12. These are the next 2 terms. When you are doing number patterns, each number in a pattern, each number is called a term. Okay? So each number will be called a term. Like taking from this example, you have 2, 4, 6, 8. So then term T for term, and then say 1 would then be 1 day will represent the position, okay, and then T will means term. So T1, the term which takes position 1 here is 2, okay. The term which takes position 1 is 2. Now, then you can see that the term which take position 2, you check here, is 4. The term which take position 5 will be, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the term which will take position 5, since you have 4 terms, that means you add 2 here because you know that this pattern progresses by 2. You add 2, you have term number 5, which will be 10. Okay, so but then now, what if you are looking for term number 100? This is where now we come up with a formula. Now we start with arithmetic sequence. So the arithmetic sequence is given by Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times a difference. Okay, where Tn is term position. As we have said, this n will be the position, then the T is for term. Okay? Then, and you have A being the first term. Okay? And then D being the difference. And how do you get the difference? You get the difference by saying term number 2 minus term number 1. It should be equal to term number 3 minus term number 2. Okay, then this is the arithmetic. Now let's say we take the same question, 2, 4, 6, 8, and it continues, right? So there, what you're gonna have the difference there. 2 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, it's 2. So you see now, this is the first term, A, and then D, the difference is 2. Because T2 minus T1, let's say you have T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay? So you say T2 minus T1 is 2. T3 minus T2 is 2. So therefore, as we explained that the difference T1 minus T2 should be the same as T3 minus T2, then it's 2. 2 is then what? Is our difference, D. So then we can substitute there to get the formula. So we have Tn equals to, the first term is 2 plus n minus 1. The difference is 2. Now Tn equals to 2 times n is 2n. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus that 2. Therefore, Tn equals to 2n. Right. So if you're looking for term number 100, you see now you substituted your n here because you're looking for 100. That means here has to be 100 also. Term number 100 would be 2 times 100. So therefore, term number 100 equals to 200. Okay, so you can do this with every pattern or every sequence that you see falls under arithmetic. Whether they give you 1, 5, 9, 13. 1, 5, 9, 13. So you check. T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is 4. T3 minus T2 is 4. T3 minus T2 is 4. T4 minus T3 is 4. That means this is your difference. That's your first term. So Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 times difference. So Tn equals to first term 1 plus n minus 1. Your difference is 4. Therefore, Tn equals to 4n minus 4 plus that 1. Therefore, Tn equals 4n minus 3. Okay? So from there, you can get whatever term that you're looking for. Okay? So that's it. Now we can move to the geometric. So the geometric is given by Tn equals to Arn minus 1. Okay, Arn minus 1. So now you know this is term position. A is still first term, right? R is what we call a common ratio. How do you get the common ratio? T2 divided by T1 should be the same as T3 divided by T2. Okay? So this is the geometry. Now, let's check geometric. Consider 2, 4, 8, 16 continues, right? So firstly, when you're given something like this, you first check, could this be arithmetic? 4 minus 2 would be 2. 8 minus 4 would be 4. 16 minus would be 8. So it can't be. So, but we're saying for this to be a geometric, T2 divided by T1 should be the same as T3 divided by T2. So now to be 4 over 2, okay, which will give you 2. And then you have 8 over 4, which will give you 2. 16 over 8, which will also give you 2. Then 2 is our common ratio. And then A is our first term. Now, that means we can find the general term. So Tn equals to, the first term is 2, the common ratio is 2 exponent n minus 1. So now, if it happens that you have something like this, you can simplify it further. When multiplying powers with the same base, you add the exponents. So you have 1 there, right? So then it will be 2 exponent n minus 1 plus that 1. Right. Therefore, Tn equals to 2n. So term number 100, you can get term number 1000, term number 150 million, you can get it there. So we're going to hold it here until we meet again to do the quadratic pattern. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and comment. Check out our TikTok, follow us there. We normally go live on TikTok, but I encourage you to follow us on TikTok and engage us on TikTok and all the other social media platforms. Thank you guys, till we meet again.